This is just speaking of what I would say is general conversation level, not having to talk loud, still able to enjoy the music. The stereo is at 8 right now. I do have the automatic noise level on, so as I pick up speed it'll adjust. Getting on the freeway. That's cruising at about 60. Pull out here in a second and pull a pass. Your price is too high. I'm paying every time I pump, really getting by. It's your fun, I can't afford, but don't make me want more. And I've tried so many times to leave you in my rear. So it's just about right for me. I can enjoy music, I can have conversation, but I can still hear the exhaust when I want to. But it's not obnoxious when I don't want to hear it. It's always there, and then more so when I step on it just a little bit. But this is a pretty good setup for me. I'm really happy with it. Thanks to Shooter JGS for getting me headed down the right path with this, with a couple of little tweaks here and there of my own. And that's it. The music is Ricky Montijo and the Mojitos, Running on Fumes, from the album The Saucepot Sessions. It's available on CD Baby and iTunes. Highly recommend you check him out. I know the guy personally, great guy, and awesome musician. All kinds of different flavors of music, so check it out. We'll finish up with that.